Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Sketchbook Sunday. This week I'm drawing Pyra or Homura. I don't know which one is the right one. One of them's English and one of them's Japanese. For some reason they completely changed the name because I'm playing it in Japanese with English subtitles, so I don't know, whichever one you want. But yeah, I've been playing a lot of Xenoblade and I just felt like drawing her. So yeah, the anatomy's probably not super spot on, which is, I'm just gonna accept it because I had it. I mean, I'm sure you can see the struggle, but I need to draw people more. I feel like me not being super comfortable drawing people holds me back from doing a lot of things that I want to do. But you know, little baby steps. You know, there you go. I drew a person. I didn't draw the legs though. I just kind of cut them off. But that's fine. I drew most of the body. It's fine. And I drew a face, which that's so hard, man. Drawing people face is so hard. Drawing eyes that look right. Oh my god, it's so hard. But I'm glad I did decide to sit down and do it because I really like how it turned out. I like the armor and the glowies and stuff. But yeah, I'll just let you guys enjoy the music now because I don't have too much to say. It's just some fun fan art. But I hope you guys enjoy this video as much as I enjoyed making it, and I'll see you guys Wednesday.